Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome to Anu Academy. Very good morning, friends. Let us start today's class. Today's class in our channel, our subject is strength of materials. Okay, friends. Today's class in our channel, subject is strength of materials. So, as we know, date has been announced by the Commission for Assistant Engineering Exam conducted by Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission. So, friends, speed up your preparation. As we know, competition is also very huge. Competition is there. You have to face the competition. Okay, so prepare well for your exam. So we will start now today's class. As I told you, today's class, our subject is strength of materials. Okay, right. Now we will start. In a flitched beam, one section is reinforced with another section. The purpose of such a beam is to improve movement of resistance over the section. When a rectangular section of a beam is subjected to a shearing force, the ratio of maximum shear stress to the average shear stress is 1.5. In a triangular section, the maximum shear stress occurs at mid of the height. Okay, so it is always better, friends. So whatever the members we are discussing in strength of materials, where whatever the question you are getting in your exam, okay, so start your verifying your options. So it's better you draw a diagram, right? So in the diagram itself you understand what the question is, the examiner is asking in that question, relevant data. So with the help of the diagram, remember which formula, suitable formula is useful for that particular member, and go for selecting the option. It is always suggested and it is always recommended for selecting the right option. Okay, right. Now we will continue here. In a triangular section, the maximum shear stress occurs at mid of the height. A square with side x of a beam is subjected to a shearing force of F. The value of shear stress at the top edge of the section is 0. An inverted T section is subjected to a shear force F. The maximum shear stress will occur at neutral axis of the section. The maximum shear, the maximum stress intensity at the base of a square column of area A and side B subjected to a load W at an eccentricity E is equal to W by A into 1 plus 6E by B. Okay, 6E by B. The maximum eccentricity of a load on a circular section to have same type of stress is 1/4 of diameter. A simply supported beam carries a point load at its center. The slope at its support is WL square by 16 EI, where W is magnitude of the point load, L is span of the beam, and EI is rigidity of the beam. A simply supported beam AB of span L carries a point load W at C at a distance A from the left end A such that A is less than B. The maximum deflection will be between C and B. Okay. A simply supported beam of span L is subjected to a uniformly distributed load of W per unit length over the whole span. The maximum deflections at the center of the beam is 5W cube by 384 EI. Okay, right. Now we will continue. Two simply supported beams of the same span carry the same load if the first beam carries the total load as a point load at its center and the other uniformly distributed over the whole span, then ratio of maximum slopes of first beam to the second will be 1.5 is to 1. Okay, it is 1.5 is to 1. Okay, right. Maximum deflection of a cantilever beam of span L carrying a point load W at its free end is WL cube by 3 EI. Here EI is rigidity of the cantilever. Okay, in this case EI is the rigidity of the cantilever. Okay, right. The maximum slope of a cantilever carrying a point load at its free end is at the free end. Okay, a cantilever beam of span L carries a one uniformly distributed load W over the entire span. The maximum slope of the cantilever is WL cube by 6 EI, where EI is rigidity of the beam. Okay, maximum deflection of a cantilever is equal to WL to the power 4 by 8 EI, where W is uniformly distributed load per unit length over the entire span. L is span of the cantilever beam and EI is rigidity of the cantilever beam. Okay, so that's all friends for today's class. Okay, so next class also I will post strength of materials, right? So prepare well for your exam. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Please like and share our channel. Please discuss with your friends the class work going on in our channel. Okay, if you are having any doubts, if you want any queries, if you want to know anything about the your preparation, your syllabus, or anything related to your notification, please post in the comments box. I will give you reply. Each and every class I am saying the same thing. Give equal importance for both the papers. Negative mark is there. Okay, so keep this negative mark in your mind and continue your preparation. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.